you all? Fine. Yeah, I'm good. I'm from this institute which name is International Foreign Institute. Today we are going to play a debate. This team supports the movies are good and our team going to support movies are not good. So let's begin with them.
Okay, so actually I'm in favor of movies are literally good. The reason is that because with the help of the movies we are getting several things. The first thing is that knowledge. I'll give you the example 12 fail, and there are many movies which we are able to see with our family, just like a Bhagwan and many more things. Just because of the movies we are able to understand why movies is good, and you can take the example of previous movies. Because of the previous movies we are able to understand what is the real life, and there is the several
Yes sir,
example
yes sir. I also saw the 12th fail movie and I saw in that movie so many kind of things, like how a boy proposed that girl and how he start the love kind of thing, and that's the thing which our youth are understand. They just do that kind of things. They are not studying. They just get that kind of things. That
Ma'am,
how
you are
to
saying
be
that just because a boy is proposing to a girl, we should not watch movies. Then why are you even focusing on those things? Try to focus on the good things. If you are going to focus only on the bad thing, then that is not going to help you. Everything happen bad in some ways. So if you are going to only believe in the bad thing, then you are not
Actually,
going to do
movies are
anything in
just
your
bad for everyone's mind and their life, because of costly life, because a few days back because of the Pushpa movie release, there are so many people died because of the crowd. That is the one point, because many people wants to watch the movie and because of the crowd they lose their life because they are stupid movie. It is not good for your life and because of your mental, because there are so many movies
Many
have
of the
for your
people
mental
were
health.
died. So today, if you go to the cinema hall, then there is no one to watch the movies. Obviously, many of the crowd were going to watch the cinema hall. There is not at all. No, there is no problem. Whoever the kill, whoever goes to die, people will go and watch the movies to entertain their.
You are preparing for
entertain
something. You are
themselves.
preparing for a government exam. No, why you are going to watch a movie? You should prepare for the government exam. Apart from it, 12th fail, you are giving an example. I would like to give an example too. This recent movie Pushpa, that smuggling that happens. Okay, then there was an animal that people are getting, action and these kind of things, and it is actually influencing the people that to go in a violence phase, and that happened actually in real life. If you see the example of in South, only 2 people already died.
You are talking about
and the hype of that.
You are talking about the to study for government exam, but we are not 24-hour watching movie. Na, we are only 1 month, one time we are going to movie for only 3 hours. We are not 24-hour going to for movie. So we can give 3 hours in 1 month. Na, movie is also good. I can say a 12th movie is very good. I can say from bottom of my heart. You are saying in 12th movie girl boy propose girl, but everyone loves
that
each
time
other.
you
Na?
are watching movie, on that time there is lots of scene, on that time they fighting with each other, on that time the child was seeing that movie, on that time they just abusing language for our society or their friends, on that time this thing is not good. That's why movie is bad.
Ma'am, it's your fault that you are focusing on only the fighting scenes. There are a lot of information that you can grab from the movies. Like if you see the Super 30, they teach that 1 marks matters a lot in a competitive exams, and we cannot study whole day in our life. We also need some medium for entertainment, and movie is the best way of entertaining ourselves.
I think you are sleeping 8 hours and you are doing 4 hours your domestic work, and I think you are also, if you do job, then 8 hours of job. That simply means 20 hours out of 24 hours is gone. That means and a movie take 2 to 3 hours to complete. That simply means
wow,
you
what a calculation, brother. There is
please,
a need.
let me complete, brother.
Because
please.
you are not talking a good thing. That's why I don't want to give you a chance, right?
Okay.
Another thing is that, brother. Sorry, especially, ma'am, you are saying there is a one special.
Brother, you are not
proposing.
cutting me. Hello, excuse me. You are not cutting me. You just saying that I am not speaking good thing, and you are not saying right thing. You are also changing the topic, and if you that simply means you have only 1 hour out of 20 hours left for you.
Okay, it's enough for you, brother, because you are not able to understand, and even you are not able to understand yourself as well. Apart from it, let it be. Especially, ma'am, you are talking about the one boy proposed a girl. You didn't see the struggle of that Manoj Sharma. You didn't see he's become an IPS officer. You didn't see the what is the meaning of UPSC. You didn't see the how to give an exam. You didn't see the what is the strategy.
Yes, sir, I saw that how much hard work he did. He go to the Manali just for meet that girl, just leave while leaving his study at all. He just give up just for because of that girl.
Ma'am, maybe you don't understand the way the life works. Love is also important for everyone. If we are not going to marry, then how we are going to live our life? But let it be. I am going to ignore your point. Firstly, let me talk about the Bhagwan movie. From that movie, we are understanding how to respect our parents, how to give respect to our parents, and how to thank them that they gave us life. And from the Suryavansham movie, we are understanding that the character gave so much respect to his father that he even left his house because
When
his
was
father
the last
paid,
time
and he
you
also
actually
educated
talked with
his
your
wife.
parents? When was the last time you actually talked with your parents? You are giving the example of Bhagwan, okay, so if you are watching a movie, implement in your particular life. Nobody is here, just don't be delusional, love and these kind of factor. Come to reality. Okay, these are not real things. Okay, it is only for the movies, for the dramas, and you guys are just watching Korean boys and all, and just depending on making your life on that particular thing. Come to reality. A lot of people failed on that particular thing. A lot of people are trying and they are failing.
Do
okay,
you know
what
so much
movie
people
teaches
there
you.
who got depressed, who got tensed, stressed. So due to remove of stress and tension, we have to use the movies or serials to
People got depressed because of the movie, because it give you the kind of a life which is not in the real life.
Every time you have
give
to
you
use-
movie gives
every
you the
time
kind
you
of a
will
life
go
which is
and
not
do
in
your
real. It is
job,
on the
every
movie.
time.
It is behind the cameras, not in the real life. Apart from that, you mentioned the Bhagwan. It's always give you the guilt trip that you're not treating your parents very well, but you are treating your parents very well. Apart from that Suryavansham, it is only the Zehar wali kheer hai. Then apart from anything,
Then you are
it's a
talking.
stupid
You
movie
are
both
talking. Movie is the story. Movie is then only a camera. Movie is not only the camera. Movie is the story of real life. Movie is a story of real life. You saw, I think, Dangal movie. Dangal movie is in how to girl become a freedom. How to enhance our knowledge. How to become a gold medalist.
Okay, so you are saying Dangal movie.
Yes.
So that is what I was talking about, the delusional thing. Okay, if you come into the reality, what people are facing, what the girls wrestler are facing, Brij Bhushan, if you are aware about the cases that you guys are two girls are over here and you guys are not able to understand this. Shame on you guys, yaar. You should understand and come into reality.
Firstly, let me
If you are
tell you,
talking
sir.
something,
Let
you
me
should
tell
be
you,
in
sir.
reality.
Let me tell you, sir. If you are only going to watch the bad movies, you are not going to understand anything. Watch the new movie that came, Do Patti. From that movie, you are going to understand how the sisters' love work and how she is helping her sister who is going through the depression because of a toxic love. We are also understanding so many things: how to choose our partner clearly, how to live our life, how to live our life with the freedom, how to not get trapped in the toxic behavior of the others. We are also learning that why are you only focusing on that the person is going to the Manali to propose a girl. You are only seeing those scenes. That's why you are understanding that we are only learning that we should go somewhere to treat our love like
from
that,
the
like
movie
that,
we
and all.
understand what kind of a partner we should make. That kind of a thing you are saying that movie is good for that getting the good partner. It is not the good thing to getting the checklist for your partner. Real life it is different. People are good or people are bad, rather than mentioning that movies are good or bad. Okay, come on.
Surely, ma'am, we should not watch a movie. We should just watch a which you are using Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Like that's a kind of serial we should watch. Of course not. We are very happy to watching a movie, and you don't have a sense how to watch a movie. The reason is that because you are just seeing what kind of poses are there, what kind of things is going on in movies. You need to be understand it is the purpose of only entertainment.
Okay,
Before
now
saying
my
anything,
turn.
you need to be understand, brother, what is the purpose of making a movie. Even there is some kind of strategy or there, and there is a technology based movie.
Now I
You
will
need to
add.
be understand, and you
I'm-
all
now
are
I
fan
will.
of
Now
the
I am
movie.
going to say about the strategy and the direction of movie production. They are directly manipulated the all persons who are watching. She is saying that about depression. depression. Without that movie, do you know about that girl's depression? I think the same time you are learning how to save them, and the meaning of real depression in movie, that how the depression goes.
Guys, it's your fault that you are watching that kind of movies. You can watch a lot of movies like Kargil, and there are many more movies that shows how our ancestors sacrifices their life to just win the country, to just rule over, to just win the country, and you can say.
Yes, sir, Ritik sir, if you want to do entertainment or yourself, on that time you doing to travel with your family, or just doing any kind of thing like which you want to do, you don't entertainment with the movie or this kind of thing. Because of that, in movie we seeing like lots of things like how to supply our drugs or this kind of thing. On that time, which kind of thing we learn about on that movie.
There are so much movies from which we can learn, and you both of are saying that word reality. What is reality? Do you know what is the reality? There are so much movies like Padman, and so much movies for girls. Padman won the first
because of
national
movie
award.
we get into virtual reality. Do you understand what is virtual reality? Virtual reality means that the things is not going really, but in our mind that the things are going. And if you speak about, you are saying that watching movie can cut your depression and anxiety, but the reality is not. You are only forgetting for 3 hours.
Excuse me, brother.
Anxiety and depression is
Listen.
gone.
What you are saying, you need to be understand. Especially, first of all, you, ma'am, I should go with my family travel. So will you pay? Of course not. I don't have that much money, right? Another thing is that you are just saying about the movies, so you need to be understand about it, brother. Movies is only a purpose of entertainment. The second thing is.
बच गए